Dear Krishna, dear Sai colleagues, on behalf of the Technical Development Organization of Roche, I want to congratulate you to the inauguration of the new lab building. But I also want to say thank you for the last 9 years, for the excellent support you provided to us. We met the first time in 2011. At that time, you had 2 production buildings in Bidar, or 2 and 3, and now you have their manufacturing assets with several hundred cubic meters of reactor capacity. I think the story of Sai is really a very successful story and your development. I congratulate you to this new building, and I hope that this new building will become a landmark. I'm currently standing at building 1 of Roche, and this also became a landmark of Roche, but also for Basel. I hope that you can attract the best talents of India, that you can bring together different sciences in this building, and that you can develop good processes for the new APIs of the next decade. Because we are working in an area we can really make an impact on patients' life. I wish you now a very nice inauguration party, and I'm already looking now forward to meeting you in person when the COVID-19 crisis is over. All the best from Basel. This was Thomas from Roche.